Hey everyone! So today I'm going to show you, actually it's going to be a couple videos pieced together just to this whole process, but I've had a lot of questions about food sensitivity tests and where to get them, and I came across one of these ones that you can get at home. It's called Everlywell, and it's a popular one. Oh, I guess that's backwards, but I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and then in 5 days I'm going to pop it in the mail. I'll get my results, and then we can go over that way. You can see exactly what it looks like. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how the box works. For those of you that are squeamish, I'm not going to show you me actually pricking my finger. I'm just going to show you the end result. So I'm going to turn it around so you know what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. So in this kit that you get in your box, so this is what the actual box looks like. And then you have a box that has tabs 1 and 2. And inside the tabs, it just opens everything, so it has everything. It also has your instructions. So for people who need instructions, it shows you step-by-step how to do it. Then you have your card, so that's where you're gonna put your blood samples. And then these things right here, they're lancets, so you have to prick your finger, and that's how you do it. And then once you're done, you put it in this little bag. So I'm going to prick my finger and show you what the end result looks like. Check back and I'm going to show you my results, but that's really it. You don't have to go anywhere. It's great. It's easy from your home. It just uses a little finger lancet, so it's not like it's a huge blood draw like a typical standard food sensitivity test. So we'll check back in 5 days because that's how long it says my results are going to take. And we'll go over that. I'll share it with you. And then you can see exactly how easy it is to get a food sensitivity kit all by yourself at home.